Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Bing AI and signing in. This ties your settings and storage. Once signed in, select the video creation tool and pick language and voice so your output matches tone. Prepare a concise script and import images or short clips sized for 16:9. These determine framing and pacing. Make sure to set resolution early because it affects rendering time and quality. Begin the project with a new draft and name it so you can iterate cleanly as you proceed. Now you assemble scenes, paste your script and split it into manageable segments, then assign each segment to a clip or image. Once done, drag B-roll and add subtle transitions to keep flow natural. Preview each scene to check timing. Make use of caption generation and edit them to match speech for clarity. Tweak the AI voice settings to alter pacing or emphasis, because slight pauses and inflection changes make narration sound human and improve viewer engagement across the whole video. Finish by rendering a short test clip to validate sync and audio quality. Do this before committing to a full export to save time. Once the test looks good, set bitrate and format preferences, then export the full video and review it end-to-end for continuity and audio leveling. If you notice voice or caption mismatches, retime that scene and re-render only affected parts. A common troubleshooting tip: if exports fail, lower resolution or clear cache, and try again to resolve memory or timeout errors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.